Hello students, this is Sunita Mishra. So as you know that we are studying the chapter chemical reactions and equations, and in that we are studying the different types of reactions. We have learned about different reaction like combination reaction, like single displacement reaction. Today I am going to teach you double displacement reaction. So first you have to know what is the definition of the reaction. So those reactions in which two compounds react by an exchange of the ions to form two new compounds are called the double displacement reaction. That means these are the reactions in which not only a single compound is formed but two compounds are formed at the same time. A double decomposition reaction usually occurs in solution and one of the product being insoluble precipitate out or separates as a solid. That means one of the product is not soluble in the reaction and that's why it comes out as a precipitate in this reaction. Now this definition has to be cleared by some examples. So first I am going to give you an example where a reaction between the silver nitrate and sodium chloride takes place. So what will happen when silver nitrate and sodium chloride reactions takes place? So here we see that exchange of the ions takes place. Now how exchange of the ions? Now you see silver nitrate consisting of the two ions, silver and nitrate ions, and in the similar way sodium chloride is again breaks down into two ions, that is the sodium and chloride ions. So they will the silver ion of the AgNO3 that combines with the chloride ion of NaCl and forms silver chloride. In the similar way, sodium ion combines with the nitrate ion to form the sodium nitrate. So you see here that two compounds are formed, and that's why it is known as a double displacement reaction. Now I'll give you one more example, like when barium chloride, okay, it is going to be added to sodium sulfate solution, then again the reaction that is going on is known as a double displacement reaction. Why? Because here also the exchange of the ions takes place. Now barium ion that combined with the sulfate ion of the sodium to form the barium sulfate, which is in the form of white precipitate, and sodium combines with the chloride of the barium chloride to form the sodium chloride. So we see that the ions exchanges within themselves and two different compounds are formed, and one compound is formed as a precipitate. So a double displacement reaction can also be called as a precipitation reaction because a precipitate is formed. So up to this I will tell you in my next class.